guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys my secret recipe. So excited. Let's jump right into the video. I can't wait for you guys to try this out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple recipe for your hair, and it's onion. Onion is the secret recipe today. So I'm going to be making a hair oil for hair growth. That was a tongue tie. And I'm going to be using like a few stuff you're gonna find in your home, so herbs you're gonna find at home. So first off, we're gonna be using an onion, and I've already made my concoction and it's been sitting here for about over a week. So in this bottle I have some extra virgin olive oil, which was this olive oil, by the way. You can use any olive oil you choose. This was the one I could get at the time, so I've got that. I've got thyme in there. I've got chopped up onions. I don't know if you can see the onions and the thyme, but I've got thyme, onions, and I even got, I think, ginger, garlic in there. Not sure, I can't remember if I put the ginger in there, but there is definitely garlic in there. So that's my concoction. Yeah, there you go. You can see the garlic and the thyme. So that is my concoction with my olive oil. And in this bottle, I have castor oil mixed with some grapeseed oil. So I've mixed that together, shake it up, and I'm going to add it with this concoction here, put it in this bottle, and I'm going to also add my aloe vera. I won't be adding any more onions. This is just to show you guys you can just use onion. You can use onions for many different things, but it's also great for hair growth. But I will not be using this today. I'm going to be chopping piece of my aloe vera off my aloe vera plant. Let me show you guys my aloe plant, how big and beautiful it is, and that you can grow your own at home. So this is my aloe plant. Look how big it is. I really need to repot it now because it's got babies coming out, which I'm so excited about. But I've been cutting bits here and there off, as you can see. Oh, this one is super long, so I might just cut this bit off right here, trying to blind me. So just gonna take a piece of that off. It's very gooey and very powerful, so go ahead, get you a little piece. If somebody could give you a little piece, even at the store, you can ask them, or just buy a little piece and repot it yourself, and it will grow into this big beautiful plant right here. Look at that. Right, so let's go ahead and use this aloe into my hair concoction oil. One thing I think everybody should know, if you've never worked with aloe before, please do not put your hands in your mouth, okay? If you do not know, aloe is bitter, and if you use it on your face as well as like a face mask or just raw natural on your face, don't put it next to your lips, because if you do lick your lips off like I do all the time, you might taste some aloe. You do not want that, okay? Because it's actually bitter. But if you don't mind it, just a little warning, just a disclaimer. I don't think I've heard anybody said that before, but aloe is bitter. So we're going to be taking all of this goodness out, and yeah, I'm gonna blend it up with my oils and then put it in my bottle with some distilled water, which is basically warm water or boiling water that's cooled down. So yeah, it's better than using tap water. If you can get filtered water, that's even better. But we're gonna add all of this together, put it in my water bottle, and that's it. You have your oil. So this is the aloe that I've got. I just got, like as I told you guys, just a little piece. You can use any amount that you want, alright, but I do not need too much. What I did with the rest of these, I went ahead and rubbed it on my face. I'm going to be using aloe on my face for the next 5 to 7 days, and I'll be documenting it for you guys. So if you guys want to see the results, stay tuned for that. Just rubbing plain old aloe vera straight on my face, nothing added, okay? Sorry about the noise in the back, that's just the garbage truck. Okay, I don't know why it's so early in the morning, but yeah, that's what we have in London. So thank God for that, it's gone. So we have the aloe here. As I said, I rub this on my face, and I'm going to be documenting that for the next 5 days. So what I did, I scooped it out and I scooped it into my bullet here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it up now with my oil. So I'm going to add my castor and grapeseed oil, and I'll say that's about a tablespoon or 2, okay? And then I'm going to shake this up and then add my concoction to the mix and then blend it up. So that's what the gel looks like. Okay, that's the consistency it is very gooey and liquidy. So yeah, so I added about 2 tablespoons as well to that. And what I do, I'll show you guys inside. I will top it up as I go along with more oils. Whichever oils I want to use next, I'll add it in there. I think I might just add a few, this long one here, in there and blend it up together and put that into my bottle with some distilled water. So this is what I have, guys. I went ahead and added some ginger. So ginger is great as well for hair growth. So I've got ginger, aloe, and my concoction of oils. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. Then I'm going to add the water, blend it again. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in my bottle before I spray it into my hair. So yeah, this is it. Super simple. And I hope you guys try it out. Let's go ahead and blend this up. So this is the consistency and color. It's like a light green color. Alright, and I've got my warm water in my bottle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this in and mix it together. If you want to leave some leftover aloe vera mixture, you can definitely freeze this if you want, and or keep it in the fridge. You know, it's lasts longer if you freeze it, but you can keep this in the fridge. But I'm going to be using some in the water, shake it up, or you can just use it straight if you don't want to mix it with any water. If you can mix it with the water while you're blending it, it's all up to you guys, okay? So yeah, we're gonna just mix this together and spray it on my hair. You can do this as a pre-poo, you can leave this overnight, or you can just use this day by day or every other day. So this is the aloe vera now, all mixed up with the water, okay? So that's the mixture there. Still got a little bit left over, which I'm going to just rub into my scalp or mix into something else for another video. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching. You can definitely try this out if you want to grow your hair, but you could definitely add all the ingredients. You do have this in your kitchen if you cook a lot every day. You will definitely have some oils, you will definitely have some aloe. If you don't, you can go ahead and just buy some. You can even grow your own, but you will have some ginger and onions, and ginger and onion, as I said, is very good for hair growth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, stay tuned, look out for more videos, and don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye guys. So this is my concoction, and I've already got some aloe on my face, raw aloe. I'm going to be doing this aloe on my face for the next week, and I've been doing it now for the past 2 days, so I'm going to keep you guys updated, okay? So stay subscribed. I'm just going to spray this in my face while I talk to you guys. Spray this in my face, okay? Spray this in my hair. Oh dear, I went ahead and broke it with my strong hand. Alright. So guys, with the aloe on my face, what I've realized when I was pregnant last year, I developed, I don't know if it's hormonal or it was the edge control or gel I was using, I developed some little bumps that keep coming back. It doesn't matter how much I get rid of it, it keeps coming back. So yeah, it's been a year now since I've had my baby, and I'm still trying to get rid of it. So I'm going to be using the aloe vera to see if it gets rid of those dark spots and just get rid of the bumps in general. So I'm just going to spray my concoction and tie my hair, wrap it up for the rest of the day, and I'll keep you guys posted. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you want to try it out, and it would definitely grow your hair. I love trying out homemade stuff and easy stuff like this, and they do work, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.